Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back. So today we're talking about one of the biggest early opportunities in Frost Kingdom, the Genesis Box Launchpad. So if you're planning to enter Frost Kingdom, this is something you don't want to ignore because Genesis events only happen once. So we're going to cover what is inside the Genesis box, how the Ardia pre-sale works, jackpot pool rewards, how to participate in the launchpad, and the Frost Kingdom token economy. So let's get started mga brokies. So first, let's talk about the Genesis box. So in Web3 games, the word Genesis is special because it represents the earliest stage of the ecosystem. So the Genesis box gives early supporters a chance to secure exclusive launch benefits and become part of the Frost Kingdom journey from the beginning. So depending on the official rewards, Genesis boxes may contain special in-game items, resources, or ecosystem benefits designed to help players prepare before the game grows. So this is not just about opening box, it's about joining during the foundation stage of Frost Kingdom. So once the Genesis phase is over, the early player moment cannot be repeated. Yan. So ito mga brokers, ito yung Genesis box mga tol. So buy a sealed box, open it by July 22 to enter progressive jackpot. No? So once na bumili siguro kayo dito ng Genesis box is ma-add yun guys dito sa reward pool mga tol. So if bukan natin bumili mga tol, no? Then tingnan natin kung ano makukuha natin dito. Yan. So ito mga brokies, yung isang box guys is nagkakahalaga siya ng 30 USD mga brokies, no? So, ang natitira na lang guys is 4,947 mga brokies, no? So 30 dia guaranteed per box. Ito yung laman niya pala mga tol, no? Bukod doon mga brokies, meron pa siguro tong mga special items sa loob na pwedeng yung magamit once na mag-up na yung game, no? So ayan siya mga brokies. So 30 USD ang presyo niyan kapag bumili kayo ng Genesis box mga brokies, no? So next is the Ardia pre-sale. So pre-sale allows early participants to access project token before wider availability. So before joining, always understand important details like pre-sale schedule, allocation rules, token usage, vesting or claiming details, official announcements. So never join just because of hype. Always understand what you are participating in. So Ardia connects with the Frost Kingdom ecosystem, so knowing its purpose is important before entry. So ito mga tol, itong Ardia na to mga brokies is ito yung gagamitin nilang token nga dito sa Frost Kingdom, no? So ito siya mga tol, no? So kanina ito yung Genesis box, and then once na bumili kayo ng Genesis box na yan na nagkakahalaga ng $30, meron kayong makukuha na 30 Ardia token, and then meron din kayong 1% slot, no, para doon sa kanilang grand draw, no, na up to 20k USD, no, yung prize pool, no. So pwede kayong manalo ng 20k USD dito mga brokies. So ano bang laman yan? May mga bonus 5 bonus tiers free shuffle to. So may bonus tier pa mga tol, no. So floor plus 3 Ardia, sa rare plus 10 Ardia, sa epic mga tol plus 40 Ardia, and then sa legendary plus 85 Ardia. Feeling ko guys napakataas ng value ng Ardia na to mga tol, and napakakonti lang ng supply. Gawa ng biruin nyo guys, so $30 tapos 30 Ardia lang. So parang pumapatak siya, 1 Ardia 1 is equal to $1, no? So sa jackpot mga tol, may makukuha kayong 20k na Ardia pag kayo yung nanalo dyan mga bro. So tingnan natin mga bro. Okay, so ito yung how the box pays out. Oh, so ito pala siya mga tol, meron siyang tiers dito. So bonus tier distribution mga tol. So sa floor, pag nag-open kayo ng box, 60% plus 30 Ardia yan mga tol. So sa rare, 25% yung share. Epic 10%, legendary 4%, jackpot 1%. So jackpot entry mga tol, guaranteed winner. So pagka nakuha nyo tong 1% na to mga tol, paldo kayo. So why this is clean mga tol? May tanong dito sa baba. So floor through legendary boxes pays at least 33 dia plus 10% over the $30 price. Jackpot slots pay 30 guaranteed plus the jackpot draw. No box ever pays less than what you paid. So auditable per shuffle. So slots assigned are committed on chain. KECAC 256 hash before sale opens. Seed is revealed after close. So anyone can reproduce the shuffle, and verify no manipulation. So, treasury funded pools, bonus and jackpot pools are both underwritten by treasury, completely separates from the box sales revenue. Users don't fund each other's wins. And now let's talk about the exciting part, guys. So the jackpot pool adds another layer of excitement for participants. Players can join the system for a chance to receive rewards depending on the official mechanics. But remember guys, rewards are never guaranteed. Always participate responsibly. So ito na nga yun mga brokers, yung explain natin kanina dito sa kanilang jackpot pool mga tol, no? Yung reward na pwede nyo makuha dito. So ang jackpot dito guys is 20,000 USD mga brokers, no? So ganun kataas, ganun kaganda yung kanilang jackpot pool ngayon. So dito naman tayo mga brokers sa Launchpad mga tolls. So for beginners asking, how do I join Juzo? No? So here are the basic steps. Visit the official Frost Kingdom Launchpad. Connect your supported wallet. Check all Genesis Box and Ardea presale details. Review requirements, timing and participation rules. Confirm only when you fully understand everything. So always double check official links to avoid fake websites and scams. So ito mga brokers, so nandito na siya ito. So ito yung schedule niya mga tol. 15-day sale, game opens the day after. So mag-open yung laro mga tol July 23 mga brokers, no? So sale and direct open run from July 8 and up to July 22. And then unopened Ardea or Red Dias token airdrop before Frost Kingdom launches on July 23. So yan na. So sobrang limited lang pala yan mga brokers talaga, no? So open anytime during the window to enter the jackpot. So the last 500 segment C drains the full pool on winning open. So yan siya. Auto open mga brokers once na nag-ano na yung game, lumabas na sa July 23. Unopened boxes are auto-open, guaranteed plus bonus only, jackpot excluded, no? So, all Ardea Red Dias token is airdrop to your wallet before game launch. So, ayan siya mga tol. Game launch tayo mga brokers. Yan. So, game launch mga tol, July 23, 2026, no? So, Frost Kingdom opens, use Ardea token as in-game currency from day 1. So, yun ang sinasabi ko sa inyo guys, yung Ardea token or Red Dia token, yun yung gagamitin nila dito sa Frost Kingdom. Finally, let's talk about tokenomics mga brokers, no? So a strong Web3 game economy is not only about earning mga brokers. So it's about creating a balanced economy or balanced ecosystem. So tokens can support different areas like in-game transaction, marketplace activity, player reward, ecosystem growth. So understanding token flow helps players know how the economy works long term. So for serious Web3 gamers, tokenomics is one of the first thing you should study. So ito mga brokers, so nabanggit na natin kung ano yung token na gagamitin nila, which is yung Ardea token or Red Dias token mga tol, no? So ito yung mga basic principles dito na pwede nyo makita sa common question. So hanapin natin dito guys yung mga about sa Red Dia. So ito siya guys. So when do I receive Ardea token? So Ardea token is airdrop to your wallet in a single batch on July 23 before Frost Kingdom launches. Direct open and auto open rewards are combined. No, so paano kayo makapag-obtain? How to obtain Ardea token? Kailangan yung bumili nito mga tol, no? So nagkakahalaga yan ng $30 and may makukuha kayo guaranteed na 30 Ardea. How does Ardea holds its value in-game? So in-game, ito siya, 1 Ardea is designed to be used at a reference value of about $1. So tama tayo mga tol, $1 pumapatak kada isang Ardea mga tol. Kaya napaka-valuable na itong item na to, no? So and then meron pa ako dito guys, itong when will the roadmap and tokenomics be revealed. So ito mga brokers, hindi pa nila talaga nare-reveal dito yung roadmap and yung tokenomics. Feeling ko nakafocus sila as of now doon sa launch, no, ng game nila, no. So yung fully launch or fully developed na game ng Frost Kingdom, no. So that's everything you need to know about the Frost Kingdom Genesis Box Launchpad. So we covered Genesis Box, Ardea presale, jackpot pool, Launchpad, tokenomics. So, ito na siya mga tol, no? Ito na yung progressive jackpot natin nga kanina kung sinasabi. So, meron ng 1,587 Ardia or equivalent yan guys sa 1,587 USD mga tol, no? So, ayan siya mga brokies. So, are you joining Frost Kingdom from Genesis? Comment your thoughts below. So, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more Web3 gaming updates. So, see you in the Frost Kingdom mga tol. Peace out.